Hi, everybody. This is Scott Hinkey. I'm the owner of On-Site Consulting. We're going to talk a little bit about backups. There's two ways you could back up with an external hard drive or an automatic online backup. External drives look like this, and you could plug it into the side of your computer. They fail at the same rate as the internal drive. So just because you have one doesn't mean it's going to last longer than your computer does. They last about 5 years or so, and you plug it into the computer. You've got to remember to manually back up, or you have to get a program set up that will automatically back up your computer to the device. But if your house burns down, you're going to lose the external drive and your computer. So we believe the best thing is to use an online backup like this, Carbonite. Carbonite is one of the best in the world. They have fantastic customer service. They've got a great 1-800 number, and the people answer right away to help you out with your problems. So we really recommend Carbonite. Carbonite was named after the scene in Star Wars when Han Solo was encased in carbonite so he could be protected from the elements and transported and stuff like that. So that's where the word carbonite comes from. So when you get it and you sign up for an account, you're going to be somewhere like this, and you're going to get a thing that says install carbonite. And then you're going to put your name if you have something that's like that. And it's going to download a program, and you're going to install it. I'm going to go ahead and stop that just to show you what you'll see. It's going to say, what should we call your computer? And it's going to come up with the name that's typed into your computer. I would do something more like this, Scott's Home PC. Make it very descriptive. Don't just put Dell, but put exactly what it is, okay? And then it's going to connect your home PC with the Carbonite program. So as you can see, it's going to back up all the normal things. So documents, pictures, music, email, bookmarks, Quicken and QuickBooks, your financial data, everything that's important. For many times it does not back up your videos. Videos are humongous, so it purposely does not do that because it can fill up the space. You have to manually tell it to back up your videos if you want to do that. You can go to advanced settings. But all you do is you push start backing up, and you'll see something like this. So it's basically taking your computer and it's going to start to back up to the cloud, to their computer. And this is safe. A lot of people think that there's something nefarious that they're going to do with that. But this is one of the best companies in the world to back up your computer, and I completely trust them. This right here on my computer will probably take 24 to 48 hours. We have people who have 60 gigs of data, and that would take about a week to back up. And it does take that long to get your whole computer backed up. But that's what Carbonite's for, and you want to make sure and have some type of backup on your computer. If you have any questions, you can always call the Carbonite technical support for free. Otherwise, you can send us an email. We'd be glad to remote into your computer and help you out. Thanks. Have a great day.